Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can create a virtual visiting card. Recently Google has launched a new feature called People's Card, which allows you to add basic information similar to any visiting card. The most interesting part of this is that once you create a People's Card or a virtual visiting card using Google's feature, you will be able to pop up in a Google search. So whenever someone search your name on Google, your People's Card will pop up. So in that way, you don't have to be any famous person or celebrity to come up in the Google search. It's that easy and it's super cool, right? Today in this video, we'll see how we can create Google's People Card. So for that, all you need is a Gmail account and that's it. You are good to create a People's Card. The first thing you need to do is to type a search query in the search bar. All you need to type is add me to search. If you are typing this query on some laptop or desktop, you will not get that option to create a People's Card. You will see that option only in your mobile phone. So for that, what I need to do is first I'll show you what happens when you enter. So it will show something like this. All you need to do is right click, go to inspect. Here you will see one option on the top. Here if you hover here, it shows toggle device toolbar. Just click on this. It will give you a mobile view, right? So here all you need to do is enter. Once you hit enter, the first search result is add yourself to Google search, right? And here we have this button get started. So now you can see that I am logged in with my Gmail, and then you will get this option from your phone. Okay, so all I need to do is get started. So now I can toggle this off as I have this option now. So I'll close my inspect. Now after closing the inspect window, here I'll go to get started. Okay, now here you can see it gives you a form. Here you can add all your basic details. Okay, so this took my name from the Gmail account. So here I'll give my location. So I'm currently in Pune, so I'll select Pune. In about section you can add anything. I'll write an application developer and a YouTuber. In occupation I'll add as software engineer. So here in this section you can add information about your work, education. You can add your social profiles. So I'll simply add my social profiles so that I can show you how it works. So all you need to do is click here, and here you will get this select social profile. You can select here, and here you will see that there is a drop down mentioning all the social profile. So you can add all of them. So I'll start with YouTube. Here I will add my YouTube URL. Similarly, you can add for different profiles. For LinkedIn I'll add. Okay, and then you can similarly add for others as well. So for Instagram also I'll add. Okay, so once you are done, you can simply click on save. So after saving, it looks something like this. Here you can see your social profiles logo, and you can also add additional information here if you want. And if you click on this preview, it will show you how your card looks like. So here you can see it came up with my profile picture, my name, my designation, and additional information whichever I have added. Right now here you can save it. So here it shows success. Your search card has been updated and will appear in search results shortly. So after saving, it looks something like this. Here you can see my details, right, and my social profiles link. And you can also edit this later on when you want to update any of your information, right? So whenever someone will search your name, you will see something like this popping up, right? So whenever someone will search my name on Google, this card will pop up. I believe this is one of the coolest feature Google has launched in recent times. I would suggest you to try it out and show it to your friends. This is really cool, and it also looks very professional, so you can use it in your way. And once you create your own personal card, please comment down. I would love to see them. So that's all from this video. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.